Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Miku Dollfie Dream is probably one of the most stunning and detailed collectible dolls on the market, capturing the essence of the iconic virtual singer. With its impressive size, intricate design, and high-quality materials, this doll offers a unique and immersive experience for collectors and fans alike. From the meticulously crafted face to the elaborate outfit, every aspect of the doll reflects a commitment to excellence and a passion for the character. Number 5. BARWA 112 PCS Doll Clothes and Accessories. This amazing set includes everything your doll needs. It comes with a variety of dresses, tops, pants, shoes, and accessories. It's the perfect way to expand their wardrobe. With 5 wedding gowns, fashion dresses, and slip dresses, your doll will be ready for any event. There are also tops, pants, and swimsuits for everyday fun. The set includes hangers and shoes to complete the look. This doll clothing set makes a wonderful gift for girls and collectors. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. The beautifully designed box makes it ready to give. The set includes party dresses and long skirts for formal events. There are also casual outfits for everyday activities. The swimsuit even has wings, so the doll can pretend to fly. The clothes are designed with elastic material and self-adhesive closures, making them easy for kids to put on and take off. The clothes are carefully crafted by hand, ensuring quality. This set encourages imaginative play. Children can dress their dolls in different outfits and create their own stories. Parents can also join in the fun, promoting bonding and creativity. What we like? This set offers a vast wardrobe for your dolls, perfect for any occasion. If you have a child who loves to dress up their dolls and create different scenarios, this is the ideal choice. With so many options, they can let their imagination run wild and create endless stories. What people say. This set is beautiful and well made. Lots of outfit choices for less than $1 a piece. So many outfits and accessories, including wedding dresses and swimsuits. Number 4. UCanaan 13 SD BJD Doll. This beautiful doll is around 60 centimeters tall and dressed in gorgeous clothes. The quality of the clothes meets human clothing standards. She has rich facial details, making her even more lifelike. With 19 developed rotatable joints, she can make a variety of lifelike poses. This allows for endless possibilities for play and display. The joints are made of ABS environmentally friendly materials. The hair is made with a hair transplant craft, making it not easy to fall off. It feels soft and smooth, just like real hair. You can style it any way you like. The package includes the BJD doll, a dress or clothes set, a wig, shoes, makeup, and accessories. Everything you need is included. Each doll is packaged in a delicate box to prevent damage during shipping. This doll is a great gift for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for girls, collectors, or anyone who loves dolls. She is sure to bring joy to anyone who receives her. The body is made of hard silicone material, while the joints are made of ABS environmentally friendly materials. Please note that the color of the joints may be slightly different from the body. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like? This BJD doll boasts incredible posability and comes with everything needed to start playing right away. If you are looking for a doll that offers both beauty and playability, this is a great choice. The detailed design and included accessories make it a perfect gift for any doll enthusiast. What people say. The full set outfit is very well made. Her wig is long and silky and so beautiful and can be changed. The dolls have large eyes and a serene expression. The joints hold in place well enough to hold a pose for display, and the only thing I wish it had was better wrist joints. Number 3. Taito Hatsune Miku Birthday 2021 Happy Cat Figure. Check out this adorable figure of Hatsune Miku from Taito. It's a must-have for any fan. This officially licensed product is sure to bring a smile to your face. This special edition features Miku in a delightful, happy cat pose. The vibrant colors and dynamic design make it a standout piece. You'll love the attention to detail. Rest assured, this is an officially licensed product. You're getting a genuine collectible. It's perfect for display and a great addition to any collection. The figure comes with a base stand, making it easy to display. It will look great on your shelf or desk. The stand ensures it's stable and ready to be admired. This figure perfectly captures the essence of Hatsune Miku. It's a wonderful representation of the iconic character. Get yours today and celebrate her birthday. What we like. This figure is a must-have for any Hatsune Miku fan. If you like collecting figures and want a vibrant, officially licensed piece for your collection, this is the one. The multiple colors and iconic design make it a standout display piece. What people say. The Dollfie Dream Miku is absolutely stunning. The details on the outfit are incredible. The articulation is amazing, allowing for a wide range of poses. Number 2. Good Smile Hatsune Miku Figma 2.0 Action Figure. This action figure is imported directly from Japan. It's a highly detailed and articulated figure, perfect for any collector. The figure comes with optional parts. These include a microphone and stand, a guitar, and even wings, allowing for various display options. This figure is designed with smooth yet posable joints. This allows you to create a wide range of dynamic poses. The joints are designed to be smooth, allowing for easy posing. This makes it simple to create the perfect display for it. Get yours today and bring this iconic character to life. It's a must-have for any fan. What we like. This Figma figure offers exceptional articulation and comes with fun accessories. If you are looking for a posable figure that you can customize and create dynamic poses with, you should consider this. It's perfect for photography or display. What people say. The Dollfie Dream Miku is absolutely stunning. The details on the outfit are incredible. The articulation is amazing, allowing for a wide range of poses. Number 1. UCanaan 24-inch BJD Doll. This beautiful doll is perfect for girls of all ages. She's a great gift for Christmas or birthdays. Standing at 24 inches tall, she features exquisite craftsmanship. With 19 movable joints, she can be posed in many ways. Made from high-quality plastic, she's designed to withstand playtime. This ensures that she will last for years to come. The doll's head and joints are not removable. You can change her facial makeup, making her ideal for DIY customization. This doll is a great gift for any occasion. Whether it's Christmas, a birthday, or just because, she's sure to bring joy. The package includes a naked doll and a random gift. If you have any questions about the product, please feel free to contact us. We will respond within 24 hours. What we like. This doll is perfect for those who enjoy customizing and creating their own unique dolls. If you like the idea of personalizing your doll with different makeup and outfits, this is the perfect starting point. The high-quality materials ensure that it will last for years to come. What people say. Parts of the arms and legs does have a slight more pink hue to the rest, but I can't complain. It also comes with a very cute, random, dress and cute, random, shoes. The eyes were well done and the eyelashes look good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.